All right, update on the MTD. Got a lot of the parts in. Ended up having to go ahead and put a new fuel hose on it. It's that bright orange new fuel hose. Yeah, one of my vendors wanted me to try it out. It's some kind of new stuff. It's not supposed to dry rot. I don't know. I think they call it Tygon. But you can put any kind of fuel in it, methanol, any kind. But it's not supposed to dry rot. Well, that remains to be seen. Anyway, got the drive belt in and that new pulley on. Oh no, you can see that new pulleys on there. See how much wider that is? It's not burnt up. Yep. Got the new battery. New battery terminals I put on there, crimped them on myself. Nice secure fit. Already sharpened the blades on the other side of the deck. Just wait. This is the belt I'm waiting on. It's the only part that hadn't came in yet is the pulley belt for the deck here. I got the drive belt for the deck, and obviously the drive belt for the transmission zone already. So that's what we're waiting on. And then I got to try to figure out how to fix that hood. Let's see if it'll run. Alright, so that's where we're at on the MTD. Can't really do anything about the wobble in your front tires there. Somebody's been rigging with them. They're wore out. They'll stay on there though. So, like I said, it's going to be a good little more once we get that everything back on it. I'm going to try to rig something up on the hood for you. Anyway. Bob out.